Jackson RC Aviation Mason's on the camera today. We're just trying to do a quick unboxing of a dancing wing hobby stick 14 sport airplane. As you can see here, it is a 14 millimeter. Fuselage is 11.85 and flying wing is 1.5. So we're gonna get to it in a few minutes. This is provided by BITGO Hobby. I want to thank Dr. Jing. And we'll be right back.
Go.
All right, we're back. We just opened the box up. The dancing wing really packaged their stuff real good. And I'm sure you've probably seen it on the other channels, Paul, Robert, and the rest of them. They already got them and did them. We usually last to get them, but that's all right. We get them. Don't matter. We got time. So anyway, what you see here is the Aero RC AEO 12x6 prop that you get. Pay attention. That you get. Okay.
What's that?
This package has your ESC, which is a 60 amp. Yeah, 60 amp. All your servos. All the stuff is in this package right here. We're not going to open it up today. We'll just show you what's in the box. That's what it's all about. What's in the box. Okay. Move this out of the way.
Packaging.
The packaging is really good. See how they really do these? These are really nice. See that?
It's in packaging.
All right. Anyway, this is the
Rudder.
rudder. The way they got it.
Don't use a knife. What are you doing? No.
You know what I mean. Just give you an idea of the paint material. I won't open them all up, but
Covering.
the covering is done very well. See that? Nice hinges. Really cool.
Oh.
Alright. Those are that. Anyway, you get the nice book because you can't pay attention. And it's very well detailed, as you can see. And hopefully we will get this together sometime soon. Very well done. Good job. Good job, Dancing Wing. We're going to go through this quick because
355.
no. Yeah. I'm going to try to get one of these wings out. Okay? Just one of them.
Don't cut it.
Just pay attention to what you're doing. That's why you unbox, that's what it is. But we're doing a quick version.
We're taking out the box.
Taking it out of the box.
Where did
Look
the
at
aileron
that.
go?
There. See that? Very well done.
Servos go
Servos
in
will
there.
go there. Of course, these are your aileron stuff there. Got your sticks there. Don't really worry about them. Anybody can see what they are. That's real nice, man. Real nice setup.
Oh.
I'm just gonna set this in here like that. Set that back in there. Hold on 1 second. Hope everybody's doing good today. Wheel pads. Real nice.
What's
These
that?
here is all your motor mount, wheels.
It is?
I know.
Right there?
I don't know. Could be. Who knows? Probably just what it is. It is what it is. What is that?
355.
Yeah, you will. Will somebody.
What's that? See?
Yeah. 365, yeah. Alright. There's a part
Elevators.
of that. Elevators,
Maybe.
yeah. Could be. I'm not pulling all this stuff out now. Anyway, we'll show the main thing here. Real nice, man. Got our color too, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll put some Jackson RC Aviation down this bad boy. See that? Get a good glimpse of it. Get a good glimpse. Because when we get done, this thing should be flying like a scalded dog. So that's it. We made it short and brief. We want to thank Dr. Jing for always supporting our channel. Don't forget to check out the channel. Also, check out RC Battery USA.
Hey, power.
Arizona. They're a sponsor of our channel. Make sure you get yourself one of these bricks because they got some power.
High
power.
Lipo batteries.
So, with that being said, you always see a lot of unboxings, but we like to unbox them too real quick. And we'll probably get this going sometime soon here. But anyway, thanks for coming by. It's Jackson with Jackson RC Aviation. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. Hit the like button. Tell your friends. And if you hit the dislike, hit it 5 times.
Yeah, turn purple.
Yeah. Have a great day. Because it's craziness going on at Team Jackson RC Aviation. Have a great day.
Bye.